Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can connect Google Drive with N8n. So let's get started. First open N8n account, then go to Credential from there. Select Google Drive OAuth 2 API and continue. This window pops up, where we need to fill up the client ID and client secret keys. Then creating OAuth consent in Google Console. In Google Console, click on the My First Project to create a new project, and then create a new project. Then name your project and mention your organization if and create. Make sure now you are working in your new project that you just created. In the search bar in the top, search for Google Drive API, then click on Enable. This might take few seconds. In APIs and Services, go to OAuth consent screen, then fill app information. Fill app name and enter your email next. In Audience, go to External and Next. In Contact Info, enter email. Finally, agree to the user data policy and continue, then create. In Google Auth Platform, go to Audience, then select Publish App and confirm. In APIs and Services, go to the Credentials, then create credentials and select OAuth Client ID, then go to the Client section and select Web Application, then enter the name of project. In Authorized Redirect URLs, enter the OAuth redirect URL from N8n window and create. Now, the pop-up window shows the client ID and client secret, pasted in N8n window. After that, go to the Google Drive account setup in N8n. After entering the client ID and client secret, sign in with Google in N8n Google Drive account integration. And that's it, you've now integrated Google Drive with N8n like a pro. Found this video helpful? Consider giving it a like and subscribe.